Hi everyone. First of all, let me introduce myself. My name is Nazwa Destanur Islami and I am from Class B English Literature 2024. In this video, I'm going to present my analysis of a poem titled The More Loving One, written by W.H. Auden. This poem was first published in 1957 in Auden's poetry collection Homage to Cleo. Through this poem, Auden explores the themes of love, emotional imbalance, and acceptance by using stars as a metaphor for someone who is loved and admired from a distance. I chose this poem because the theme is very relatable to human emotions and modern relationships. Many people have experienced loving someone more deeply than they are loved in return. So the poem feels realistic and emotionally meaningful. Okay everyone, so now let's dive deeper into the meaning of this poem. First, let's begin by examining the genre of this poem. What genre does this poem belong to? By reading the poem, we can clearly see that it focuses on the speaker's personal emotions, thoughts, and reflections about love. The poem does not tell a detailed story or sequence of events, but instead expresses feelings and emotional experiences. Because of this, we can conclude that this poem belongs to lyric poetry, especially a romantic lyric poem. If equal affection cannot be, let the more loving one be me. These lines are considered one of the most famous lines from The More Loving One because they beautifully express the idea of loving someone sincerely even when the love is not equally returned. In these lines, the speaker expresses his personal feelings about love and acceptance. He realizes that love is not always equal, but he still chooses to love sincerely even if the affection is not returned in the same way. This emotional expression is one of the characteristics of lyric poetry. Next, let's discuss the tone of this poem. The dominant tone of The More Loving One is melancholic. Throughout the poem, the speaker expresses sadness and emotional pain caused by unequal love and emotional distance. However, instead of expressing anger or disappointment, the speaker reflects on these feelings calmly and thoughtfully. For example, we can see this in the following lines. Looking up at the stars, I know quite well that for all they care, I can go to hell. These lines show the speaker's awareness that the stars, which symbolize the people he admires or loves, may not care about him at all. This creates a sad and painful atmosphere that strengthens the melancholic tone of the poem. We're all stars to disappear or die. I should learn to look at an empty sky. From these lines, we can see that although the speaker would feel sadness if the stars disappeared, he understands that he would eventually learn to live without them. This further emphasizes the melancholic tone because the speaker quietly accepts the possibility of loss and loneliness. Lastly, let us explore the meaning of this poem more deeply by using a social approach. In society, unequal love is a very common emotional experience. Through this poem, Auden shows that unequal love is a universal human experience that continues to happen across different generations and social contexts. Sometimes, one person loves more deeply than the other, and not everyone receives the same amount of affection in return. If equal affection cannot be, let the more loving one be me. These lines represent the reality that love is often unbalanced. However, instead of forcing love to be equal, the speaker chooses sincerity and acceptance. Because of this, the poem remains relatable to many people in modern society, especially those who have experienced one-sided or unreturned love. Okay everyone, and with that, we've reached the end of my presentation. Thank you so much for staying and watching until the very end. I hope my analysis of The More Loving One was not only helpful, but also interesting and enjoyable for all of you. Thank you guys. See you. Bye.